Ever wonder what makes your computer feel fast or slow? The secret is often the CPU clock speed. It's the true heartbeat of your machine. Clock speed is the speed at which your computer's main chip, CPU, works. It shows how many little tasks, called cycles, the CPU can do each second. This speed is measured in gigahertz, or billions of cycles every second. For example, a CPU running at 3 gigahertz does 3 billion steps every second. Here are some important points you should note about CPU clock speed. Not everything is faster with a higher clock speed. Some tasks may need more than one cycle to finish. Measured in cycles, each cycle is like a tick of a very fast clock. In other words, an electronic pulse. Comparisons only matter if CPUs are from the same generation. A lower speed, new CPU can beat an older, faster one. More isn't always better. Other things like CPU design, cores, and memory are just as important. Heat grows with clock speed. Faster CPUs often get hotter and need better cooling. Turbo boost, or similar tech, lets CPUs run faster for short times when needed. Then there are idle modes. This is when CPUs lower their speed to save energy when not busy. Mobile chips often use lower speeds for better battery life, but may feel slower. Overclocking means pushing the clock speed above the normal limit. It can be risky, but it makes the CPU faster for advanced users. Each program is different. Some apps use more cycles than others, so clock speed is just one piece of a big puzzle. Here's an example to help you understand CPU clock speed better. Imagine a worker counting boxes on an assembly line. If the worker's speed is 3 gigahertz, they count 3 billion boxes every second. More speed equals more boxes counted, and the job gets done faster. Think of CPU clock speed as a drummer's tempo in a band. The faster the drummer goes, the quicker the whole band can play the song. If the drummer slows down, everything takes longer, no matter how skilled the other musicians are. CPU clock speed makes a huge difference, but it's just one beat in the symphony of computer power. Remember, speed helps, but it's how all parts work together that makes your device truly shine.
Simply click the link below to learn more.